Imagine planting vegetables once, and then harvesting them for years, sometimes even for decades. No replanting, no yearly struggle. Just plant, wait, and enjoy. Most people don't realize this, but winter is actually the best time to start many perennial vegetables. The soil is calm, the plants are dormant, and the roots settle in before spring arrives. Today, we'll explore 10 perennial vegetables you can plant in winter so your garden keeps feeding you with very little work. Let's dive in. 1. Asparagus. Asparagus is a classic perennial that can live up to 15 to 20 years. Plant the crowns in winter while they're dormant. They love cold soil because it reduces transplant stress. You won't harvest in the first year, but once it's established, you'll get fresh spears every spring. It's one of the best long-term food investments. 2. Rhubarb. Rhubarb isn't just for pies. It's a hardy perennial that pushes new stalks early in spring and lasts for decades. Winter planting helps the roots settle deeply. Just keep the crown slightly above soil level. Avoid harvesting in the first year. After that, rhubarb practically grows on autopilot. 3. Jerusalem artichoke. These look like ginger but grow like potatoes fast and with little care. Plant the tubers in winter when the soil is soft. They multiply quickly, and once they settle, you'll never run out. Just keep them in a contained bed because they spread like crazy. 4. Walking onions. Also called Egyptian onions, these are one of the easiest perennials. They grow bulbs on top of the stem, and when those bulbs fall, they plant themselves. That's why they're called walking onions. Winter is perfect for planting the bulbs. You can eat the greens, bulbs, and even the little top sets. 5. Perennial kale. Unlike regular kale, perennial kale doesn't die after one season. It grows like a small shrub and keeps producing leaves year-round. It handles cool winter weather well. Plant it in winter so it can form strong roots before the heat returns. Many gardeners say this is the most zero-maintenance leafy green. 6. Globe artichoke. Artichokes look exotic, but they're actually tough plants. They prefer cool weather when getting established, so winter planting is ideal in mild to moderate climates. Once mature, they produce delicious buds every year. And the plant itself can live 5 to 10 years with basic care. 7. Horseradish. If you want a plant that refuses to die, this is the one. Plant horseradish roots in winter and forget about them. It grows aggressively and survives cold, heat, and even neglect. The roots become spicier in cold weather, so winter planting gives you a flavor boost later. 8. Good King Henry. This is an old European perennial green that tastes like a mix of spinach and asparagus. It grows slowly at first, so winter planting gives it a head start. Once mature, it comes back every year and provides tender shoots and leaves in spring. 9. Sea kale. Sea kale is salt-tolerant and cold-hardy. It grows in coastal regions naturally, so winter planting works great. The shoots taste like mild asparagus, and the leaves taste like cabbage. It's also resistant to most pests, which is rare for leafy plants. 10. Sorrel. Sorrel is one of the earliest greens to appear in spring. Plant it in winter, and it'll be ready to harvest as soon as the weather warms. It has a lemony flavor that adds freshness to soups and salads. Once established, sorrel can keep producing for 7 to 8 years. Extra tips. Mulch around new perennial plants to protect roots during winter. Avoid over-fertilizing in the first year. Perennials need time to root, not rush. Choose a permanent spot since these plants stay for years. Water lightly during dry winter days, especially for new plantings. Label your perennial beds. Many plants stay dormant and disappear until spring. If you enjoyed this list, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gardening tips. Tell me in the comments, which perennial vegetable are you planting first?